Hello everybody and welcome to my video. This is my first Python video and I'm going to show you how to make a symbol calculator. Okay, so it's really easy, so we're going to move really quick. Okay, so first of all we need to create the variables. So we're gonna call them print in num1 for the first number, and because it's an integer I'm going to pass an integer and ask and receive the user input. We ask the user to enter first number. Okay, then we're going to create our num2 variable. It's also an integer. You can make it a float if you want, so it's an integer. So we're gonna allow the user again to enter the second number. Okay, so enter second number. Alright, so after entering the two numbers, we want to ask the user to choose what they want to do with the two numbers. Right, so we will print a message. Choose an operation. Okay, so then we will show the users which operations they can choose from. Okay, so let us tell the user that if they actually choose one, they're going to do addition. Okay, \n. If they choose two, they're going to do subtraction. Okay, and if they choose three, they're going to do, let's say, multiplication. Okay, finally if they choose four, sorry, a \n to move the next line, they're going to do division. Alright, so let us run these and see what we get. Okay, so enter the first number. The first number is 10. The next number, my lucky number 7. Alright, so it asks the user what do you want to do with the two numbers. So sorry, I'll put your \n just to move the next line. Same with here. Alright, so now we'll receive the input from the user. So let us say we want to call it like selection, or let's call it option equals to so input, because it's actually an integer, let us pass that into an integer. So we're going to say integer input, and then we say operation. So we can say select an operation. Okay, so the user is going to enter an operation here between 1, 2, 3 or 4. Alright, so after the user enters the operation, now we're going to move into conditional statements where we're going to use if else statements to determine what to do with the two numbers based on the user's choice. Alright, so let's say if the option selected by the user is 1, what do you want to do? So let us create a variable called it answer, and it will give us num1 plus num2. Okay, and actually finally we print the answer. We will say the answer is comma answer. Right, so we're going to repeat that for all the 4 options. So we'll say if, don't forget the colon, sorry, not here, at the end. So if option equals to 2, answer equals to num1 minus num2. Alright, so we print the answer again. So let us just copy this and paste it here. Alright, so that is it. So we move to the third one. I'll say if option equals to 3. What do you want to do? So the answer equals to num1. We're doing multiplication, so multiply by num2. Right, so then we're going to print the answer. Right, so finally if option equals to 4, let us create our answer equals to num1 divide by num2, then we print the answer. Alright, so finally we'll say else. So that our else means if the user selects any other option apart from 1, 2, 3 or 4, what should we get? So probably an error. So let's print message that invalid Selection detected. Alright, so that is it for our program. So let us run this and see what we get. So really quick, the first number 20, second number 10. Oh, what do you want to do with the numbers? I want to subtract them, so I choose 2. Yeah, the answer is 10. Alright, so let's do that. 3, then 5. We want to multiply this, so 3. Our answer is 15. Alright, so as we can see, our calculator actually. So one more thing I want to do in this video is to actually create a function to at least make our code look a little bit neat. Okay, so I'll get all this and I'll create a function called calculator. So calculator, and pass in 2 parameters, num1, num2. Then all our code will go here except these 2 lines that I want to have outside the function, so like here. Okay, and actually I'm going to change these 2 names, these 2 variable names, so as to avoid collision with these ones. Okay, so this is going to be number1, number2. This one's a line. Okay, so now let us call our function called calculator and pass in number1 and number2. Alright, so let us run this and see if it works. So let us enter our first number 30, second number 10. We want to add the 2 numbers and the answer is 40. It works so well. Alright, that's good. So one more last thing to do here now is to actually get rid of some repetitions here. So instead of repeating this all the time, we want to do something nice. Okay, so I will get rid of this, and have it actually outside the conditional statements. Okay, right here. So that way we're going to avoid a lot of repetition in our code. Okay, so let me run this really quick to see what it solves. Okay, so first number 40, second number 20. Today we want to do subtraction, so let's choose 2 and our answer is 20. So it works really well. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to upload more videos of simple and complex programs in Python. Okay, bye bye guys. Thank you.